Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan's Oracle DBID tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to find the database ID in Oracle database. So, what is the Oracle DBID? So, Oracle database identifier is short name is DBID. In the internal unique identifier for the Oracle database, database administrator must note down the DBID in the safe place so that any mishappening to the database could be easily identified and recovered. So, this is very important for the recovery. And always keep the DBID in the safe place. So there are the two methods are there where we can find the DBID. So method 1, log into your Oracle database sqlplus ls sysdba with the command line. So let me, and next is select DBID from the Oracle database. So this is my DBID 1632952282. So you can note it down and you can write it in safe place. And method 2, run the below query to access the rman. You will get the DBID. So let me connect with the rman. So here our database ORCL and DBID is this. So with the rman also we can get the DBID. Thank you for watching.